Today we're re-engineering this massive printer part from scratch. Let's do it. First, we take precise measurements and jump straight into Compass 3D to model it. Once the model is ready, we toss it into the slicer, dial in the settings, and export the G-code. But wait, material prep is key. We're drying this filament for 4 hours at 55 degrees Celsius or 131 degrees Fahrenheit to get a flawless print. Now, fire up the printer, load the G-code, feed the filament, and hit print 3 hours of printing later, and boom, the part is ready and fits perfectly. What do you think?